Okay, guys, the last part of the shot approach, part 3. So it's all about smooth landing, like smooth operator. So the last part of the shot approach you want to do as delicate as possible. So what I do, I make all the moves I told you in the previous videos, and the last part of the shot approach is just smoothly land. There is no rapid movement or too slow, just gradual movement forwards gradually. That's about shot approach, okay? So you approach, gradual shot approach landing, smooth, and hit the ball. So the last thing you want to avoid is to drop to the shot quickly, rapidly, because you're very likely to not to put your cue on the correct chest position. You can make your head movement sideways. Lots of things could go wrong, but if you do this delicately, one and two, let me see, one and two smoothly, lots of other important details fall into the place. And as I said, you can repeat this motion for the straight or angle shot. The principles are the same. So follow that, and I'm sure if you follow all those 3 steps in your shot approach process, straight or angle shots, you will improve your potting dramatically, and it should give you more confidence and enjoyment in your snooker game. As I said, all those things in detail I teach in my mentorship program, so you can, below description box, read the all info. Thank you guys for watching, and until you next time, see you.